You may have heard that there are 4 incredible new iPhones. I want to tell you about them and help you understand the differences between them. There's iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13, which have the most advanced dual camera system in an iPhone and come in 5 colors. As well as iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, which have our biggest camera update ever and comes in 4 colors. I'm gonna walk through some exciting new features available on all 4 new iPhones. All the iPhones come with amazing new camera features like cinematic mode, improved low light performance, and photographic styles, as well as other great features like ceramic shield, the powerful new A15 Bionic chip, super fast 5G, and longer battery life. We'll also touch on some features only available on iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, like Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion, macro photography, and 3x optical zoom on the telephoto camera. I like these colors myself. After you learn about the new iPhones, it'll help you decide which is the right one for you. You can always jump to any of the chapters below if you want to skip ahead. All right, let's get going. With all the new iPhones, the videos you take will be next level. And one of the most exciting new features shared across all the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro models is cinematic mode. To create this feature, Apple studied the art of cinematography and developed cinematic mode, which lets you add a depth of field effect and dynamic focus transitions automatically, giving you the power to create videos with amazing Hollywood-level polish, just like the movies. This looks great. Do you mind?
Okay.
Thanks. We're gonna add some drama to this scene using cinematic mode. Let's see what this looks like using the new iPhone 13. To use this feature, open the camera and select cinematic. Quiet on set. Ready? And action. By selecting cinematic mode, your iPhone will automatically detect a person, object, even pets, bringing them into focus and softening the background around them. Just hit record, and the camera changes focus intuitively when it recognizes a new face or subject, creating the ultimate cinematic effect. And remember, cinematic mode is available on all new iPhones. Cut! Great job, you guys. I actually thought you were unconscious. If you want to change the depth effect after you finish recording, you can. Just go to Photos, select the video, hit Edit, and then with just a tap, you can adjust the depth effect here too, giving you total creative control. Perfect. And with the new iPhone 13 Pro camera system, you'll also have even more advanced low light performance. Let me show you on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Simply frame your shot, and the camera automatically captures exquisite detail in low light settings. Action. Cut.
You got this on that. Okay, get this thing off me!
So if you love making movies, the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro might be the right one for you. All new iPhone models are equipped with ceramic shield. That means iPhone is designed to be durable, protecting it from accidental drops. And it has an industry-leading IP68 water resistance. So if you worry about splashes or falls, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or iPhone 13 Pro Max will be perfect for you. Phone's good. Oh, excuse me. All the new iPhones are redesigned for even better battery life. That means a lot more playing, watching, working, and creating without needing a charge. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time out and about, the new iPhones are designed to keep up with you thanks to their improved battery life. Even the smallest iPhone, iPhone 13 mini, has better battery life. And with iPhone 13, you can multitask for hours with all-day battery life. And with iPhone 13 Pro, it not only has all-day battery life, but its new Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion offers an incredible new display experience. This 120Hz adaptive refresh rate display will make for immersive gaming and buttery smooth scrolling and swiping. Pro Motion is only available on the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Speaking of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it comes with a 6.7-inch display that gives you the most room to watch, play, and create. And the Pro Max has the longest battery life ever on an iPhone to keep you going for hours. Hey, you're next.
Oh.
When you take a photo on iPhone, you can count on it being beautiful. And now, you can add an entirely new level of personalization thanks to Photographic Styles, which is available on all new iPhones. Let's see what it looks like with iPhone 13 Pro.
Smile, everyone.
To use Photographic Styles, tap the arrow at the top of the camera. Then tap this Photographic Styles icon to enable the feature. Unlike simple filters, this feature intelligently adjusts tone and warmth to your photos. For example, some of us like deeper shadows in our photos. Some love them vibrant and punchy. There's a style to make your photos warmer and one to make them cooler, all while preserving skin tones. You can decide what works for you. Every time you pick a style, it will stay that way, giving your photos a consistent look and feel. Each of the styles is customizable and works across different scenes and subjects. Oh, look at this shot. With a Pro camera system available on iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, you can capture stunning detail with macro photography. All you have to do is open the ultra-wide camera and get in very close to your subject. Nice ride. If the subject is even farther away, iPhone 13 Pro also comes with 3x optical zoom on the telephoto camera, giving you clearer images from further than ever. So if you want the most powerful camera system in an iPhone, either iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 Pro Max have you covered. Hey, can you drop me off?
Yeah, sure.
This is me. Right here is great. Congrats again. Enjoy Bora Bora. So that's all the big news about iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. With all the features, sizes, and colors available, there's sure to be an iPhone that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching.